Hello, welcome visitors. It's nice to meet you again. On this occasion, I am going to create a program for turning on a light from 7 to 10 every day. First of all, I should open a program of Omron PLC. Here it is, ECH Programmer. I double click here. Okay, the program has been opened. Now I click File, I click New. For the program that I am going to create, I use the date comparison instruction to control the time. So the configuration of the program is like the table below. Device name RTC time, and the device type CP1L, and network type is USB. Now let's continue. I should fill the configuration here. RTC time, and device type CP1L, and network type is USB. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the formulas that I will use to make the program. The formulas of the comparison instructions are: first instruction, greater than, equal, DT, state 38, A351, D100. This is to compare the time between A351 with the value of setting time at D100. A351 is present time, so the value of setting time at D100 is 7. Okay, for the second instruction, less than, equal, DT, state 38, A351, D110. This is to compare the time between A351 to the value of the setting time at D110. You can see the value of the setting time is 7 at D100, and the value of the setting time is 10 at D110. Okay, let's continue to the program again. I should get a new PLC instruction. I click here and I put it here. So I should write the address greater than, equal, DT, space, state 38, space, A351, space, D100. The same like this. Okay. comment, hour, minute, second. Okay, comment, hour, minute, second. Okay. Now for the second instruction, I put it here, and then the address less than equal DP space estate 38 space A 351 space B 110. The same like this. Okay, let's continue. Click OK. Comment, hour, minute, second. Okay. Comment, hour, minute, second. Click OK. Now I am going to continue to connect the instruction to the right side. So I click horizontal line, I put it here, and then connect to the right side. Then I get a new coil. I click and I put it here. So I should write the address 100. 100 is the channel number of Omron PLC, and then point, and then 00. 00 means the first output number for Omron PLC. Then I click OK. Comment, like. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to set the time at D100 and at D110. To set the time, I need to create two move instructions. Okay. Creating move instruction for transferring and backing up data in the memories D100 and D110. We must create two move instructions. The move instructions are used to transfer the value of the time setting to the memory D100 and memory D110. The time setting for D00 is 7 and the time setting for D110 is 10. And then the move instructions are also used for backing up the data in the memories. After closing the program, we want to run the program again. We do not need to set the values of the time setting anymore. So the formulas are, for the first move instruction, MOV state 7 D101. 7 is the value of the time setting to D100. And the second move instruction with the formula MOV state 10. 10 is the value of setting time for D110. Okay, the formula is MOV stage 10 D111. Now let's come back to the program again. Now I begin to create the move interaction. Okay, I get a new context. It is normally open context. I click and I put it here, and I choose the kind of the context. I choose P on. Click OK. Then I get a horizontal line. Click and put it here and connect to the right side. Okay, I get a new PLC instruction. Click and I put it here. Okay, the address is MOV state 7 D101. MOV space state 7 space D101. Clear? Okay. Comment time. Okay, next I'm going to create the second move instruction. I click vertical line, I put it here, and then I get a horizontal line, I put it here and then connect to the right side. Then I get a new PLC instruction. I click and I put it here. So the address is MOV state 10 space D111 111. Okay. MOV space state 10 space D111 or 111. So I click OK. Comment time. Click OK. Now I minimize the display of the program. Click view, click zoom out. Okay, now you can see all of the program that I have made. Okay everyone, the first move instruction will transfer the value of 7 as the time setting to D100, and the second move instruction will transfer the value of 10 as time setting to D110. Now I am going to simulate the program. I click Go Online Simulator. Now the program has been working. Next I click PLC clock. Okay everyone, you can see that the light is still off now, because the time on my computer or on my laptop is now the time on my laptop or my computer is 0.2 minutes 15 seconds. So the time is under the setting time of the program. So the light is still off now. The setting time on this program is 7 to 10. You can see here setting time to D100 is 7, and the setting time for D110 is 10. Okay, I must set the time first. Click option, click set PLC clock. I change the time to 7. Double O. Now the time setting is 7 on my computer, on my laptop. I click OK. Now you can see the light has been on, because the time setting on this program is the same with the time on my computer. Okay, let's set the time again. I click option, click set PLC clock. Now I change the time on my computer to 6. Double O. If I click OK, the light will be off, because the time setting on my computer is 6, but the time setting on the program is 7 to 10. Okay, I try to click OK. The light must be off. Okay, you can see the light has been off now. Now I set the time again. I click option, I click set the clock. Now I change the time to 9. Double O. I click OK. Okay, the light is on now. Okay, I set the time again. I click option, click set PLC clock, and then I change the time to 10:55 minutes 00 seconds. So the time setting on my computer is over the time setting on this program. The time setting on this program is from 7 to 10. If I click OK, the light will be off. Okay, I try click OK. Yes, the light is off now. Okay, the visitors, the light will be on at 7 or after 7. You can see on the first instruction, greater than equal. It means the light will be on at 7 or after 7. So for second instruction, you can see the symbol here, less than, equal. It means the light will be off before 10 or at 10. Okay everyone, that is all what I can explain to you, how to create a program for tuning on a light from 7 to 10 every day. This video could be useful to whom it concerns, and see you later.